In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a new Figma file. So let's take a minute and talk a bit about the Figma file browser. After you sign into Figma or open a projects file, you'll end up in the files browser. So the file browser allows you to navigate through your accounts. You can use it to access personal files, create and join teams, and connect with the wider Figma community. So here in the sidebar of the file browser, you can access your drafts files in the draft section, and here is the space where Figma will save by default all your files. You can access the community where you can duplicate templates and icons and other design resources for free. You have the favorite space. You can pin your favorite files so you can access it faster. And down below you have the team space where you can access your teams, and each team has a list of a project. So each project have also a collection of files. So now let's go ahead and create a new drafts files. So here you can hit new design file and a new tab will pop up with your file. And to access this new file, you can go back to the file browser in the draft section. Here is our file. We can rename our file, just hit title. We can name it new project. And if you go back to the file browser, here is our file. Double click and you will land up again on your file. So next I will talk a bit about the Figma canvas and how to navigate it. So thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.